East or West, Snapchat is the best. Okay, so if you think the same and you are wondering how to recover your Snapchat photos, then yes, it's the correct video. So for today's topic, we have Snapchat deleted photos recovery, or to learn how to recover the Snapchat photos on any device, like literally iOS or Android or any devices. Then this is the process and the video, right video. And yes, let's get started. But before that, please click that subscribe button and hit that notification bells so that you are updated every time we are online. And one more thing, thank you very much for the 107 subscribers already. Thank you very much. And yes, let's get started. So to recover your Snapchat photos that you had deleted, you simply go on any web browser like Google and you type their Snapchat login. It's already here, so I simply click on it. Okay, now what you do is click on that first option. Good. Okay, now you'll write your username, and I don't remember my username, so what I do is I go into my Snapchat account, and here you click on the top left corner. You have your avatar or something like that, and you will have your username of in Snapchat displayed. So you'll simply have it's Ektasa111, and I'll simply remember it now. You type here, and yes, enter your password. People call it password, and it's password for me, like yo bro. And password, login. Okay, so it says that okay, they are feeling suspicious or something, so okay, just send me a code. Okay, now you simply wait for the code. Got it. So it's 227434. Submit. And yes, right after you are logged in, you will have this web page, and you click on that option of my data. And this is me voicing over because I lost the previous clips, and sorry for inconvenience caused. And we have that box, the white box, and it says confirm email address. So you simply write the email address with the help of which you had just opened an account in your Snapchat, and yes, click on that submit request. Okay, now what you do is wait. I waited for about 30 minutes, and now I received an email from the Snapchat about my recovered data. So after 30 minutes, I'm shooting this, and you go into your email and you have that email already. So it says click here, the blue highlighted option, and you simply click there, literally click here to have your datas recovered in Snapchat. And yes, I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then please make sure to hit like. And to learn how to use the crying filter on Snapchat, please click the video on screen. Bye bye.